Hey, what's up guys? I'm Shubham, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your any Samsung or other Android device into completely HyperOS 2.0. So let's begin. Okay, guys, first you have to download all these apps. These apps download link available in description. Okay, after download, first open Smart Launcher. After open, guys, first set this launcher as default launcher. Okay, now apply icons. Simply go to launcher setting, global appearance and icon appearance and select HyperOS icon packs. Now guys, you can see HyperOS icon packs apply on your device. Now apply HyperOS 2.0 any stock wallpaper. After apply, guys, arrange all main icons on front of home screen. Now simply remove clock. Now guys, add large folder widget. Then simply tap add widget. Tap on folder widget and you can see many size of folder widgets. Simply tap large folder 2 into 2 and select icons. Tap on save button and you can see large folder create on home screen. Set this folder into small size. Change folder widget size and set this widget like this. Now simply tap and remove two main icons. Now add calendar widget. Then simply open color widget. You can see guys many widget of this app. Simply tap on calendar, add and confirm. Simply tap and add calendar widget. Now add two small widgets on home screen. Now first add weather widget. And second one, add clock widget. Then go to color widget. Simply add clock widget, add to widget, confirm. Now guys, you can see our home screen totally convert into HyperOS 2.0 home screen. Now apply HyperOS volume style. Then open volume control, set permission, now go to skin and add MIUI. Go to setting and set position in right. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.